Let's create a simple tutorial in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing we need to do is place the object onto the canvas and arrange it. Next, select the filter gallery, then choose Paint Daub. Repeat this process to give the object a painted appearance. Drag the background onto the object, and arrange it. Then go to the Layers panel. Move the background layer behind the object layer so that the object appears in front. Now, add the sky and position it above the object. Select the filter gallery again, choose Paint Daub, and repeat the process to ensure the texture matches the object proportionally. Go to the Layers panel, add a new layer, and select the Brush tool. Choose a yellow color, then paint with the Brush tool above the sky. Go to the Layers panel again, select Linear Dodge for the color overlay. Then add a quote to the center and arrange it.